let me walk you through how I made this Amapiano beat right after the intro. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, so you are in the first studio now. So for the tempo was 113, which is 113 BPM. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Links to my previous videos too, also there, go and watch them, some of it may help you guys. So I started with this shaker loop. Let's listen to this one. I then added another shaker loop, which is this. Okay, so I'm gonna combine the two. Okay, so I brought in this kick. Alright guys, so because of my CPU, let's render and replace them in waveform so that I can save enough space. Okay, so render and replace. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this off, change it to beats. I'm gonna cut the SS like that, delete this. Alright, so right after the shakers, I move on to the drums. Okay, so I started with this kick. Let's listen to the kick now. So I brought in the snare. Okay, and layer it with this snare. Okay, so the three of them sound like this. Okay, so I brought in this percussion. Let's listen. Very simple guys, so I'm gonna add them. Okay, so I introduced this one. Let's listen to it. Okay, so I'm gonna add that one to them. Okay guys, I brought in another percussion. Okay, like that. Let me solo it. Very simple guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Link to my previous videos too, also there, go and watch them. So let's call them. I brought in another percussion. Okay guys, so I introduced conga. Okay, let me solo the conga alone so that you listen to how I made it. Like that. Very simple. Okay, so I'm gonna add them. Okay, I brought in another conga. I'm gonna solo it. Okay, so from there I was okay with the drums. So guys, let me play the drums, everything for you. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Okay, so I gave it a little bit swing, about 17%. So guys, change this to song mode. I'm gonna add that to the shakers. Alright, so guys, after that I introduced the chord progression. Let's listen to it alone. Okay, so I'm gonna add them. Okay, so the next thing I brought in was this. Okay, so guys, let's combine them. Alright guys, so right after this, I wanted something to support this one, so I brought in this one from Nezos. I copied the same thing from here and pasted them here. So let's listen to the two of them. Okay, so I'm gonna add them all like that. Okay, so guys, right after there, I wanted to introduce my log drums. So this is how the log drum alone sounds. Okay, so I'm gonna add them. Let's listen. Okay, so the log drum, I played it in another way. Let's listen to this one. Okay, so let me mute this one and we add that one. Okay, so guys, the last thing I did was I added this. Okay, so everything sounds like this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. If you found the video to be helpful, give it a like. If you want to learn much about Amapiano, then watch the next video to know how to make Amapiano beats from scratch. So guys, enjoy. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.